Hello and welcome to Phoenix Contact. Our Trio Power Supply series have always been known for compact design, robust and high reliability. Along with all these features, we are introducing our Trio 3rd generation power supply with integrated circuit breaker. Integrated circuit breaker module gives you flexibility to save space up to 60% in your control cabinet. IO-Link interfaces are used for diagnostic and parameterization of each channel. Smart Diagnostic can be used for remote reset. That is, IO-Link interface can be used as remote reset for all channels. Direct integration in PLC Next Engineer or Siemens TIA portal is also possible. Controlling of each channel via channel potentiometer is also possible. Individual channel can also be controlled via channel potentiometer. This was a short introduction on our Trio 3rd generation power supply. For more information, connect with us on our website www.phoenixcontact.com.